Good morning, guys. Today, I am going to teach you about the use of future continuous. So I am going to explain you the grammar, how we can use it affirmative, negative, and in questions. Okay, but first of all, what is future continuous and in which cases we can use it? We use future continuous to talk about predictions, right? But predictions focused in the future. Okay, here we have the affirmative form. Remember that always in English it is important to use the subject, the person. Also, we are going to use will be. Pilas because will be is fijo. Siempre va a ir un will be, right? And the verb, another verb that we use, needs to be always with ing. For example, she will be traveling to Mexico next year. She will be traveling. What is she will be traveling? It means ella estará viajando. Remember that the ing means ando, endo in Spanish, right? So this is a prediction. We can use will be with all the subjects, with all the people. He, she, it, I, we, they, and you. But what happens when the sentence is negative? So we have the subject, want, that is the negative of will. Want is the contraction, or we can use will not, yes? Be and the verb with ing. For example, he won't be join us for lunch. Él no estará viniendo con nosotros para almorzar. Yes? So remember, will be if it is affirmative and the verb with ing. And if it is negative, won't be and the other verb with ing. If it is interrogative, what happens if it is interrogative? So we put upside down, al revés, giramos, and we use the auxiliary that in this case, well, it's indicating as the future. So it's will. Will, then the person, the subject, be, and additionally the verb with ing. Watch out, pilas. Don't forget to use the question mark. If we don't use the question mark, it won't be a question, so this is very important. For example, will they be watching the movie tonight? ¿Estarán ellos mirando la película esta noche? You see? It's a prediction. This is if it is a yes or no question, but what happens when it is a WH question? We need to use the WH question first. You remember what are the WH questions? Where, who, which, how, when, where. So, where will they be going on vacation? Visit, right? Just in case you have questions, let me know. Hope you have understood what future continuous is. Thanks for watching. See you in the other video.